Chapter 1. The Value of Pi. Christ is the narrow gate. I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John 14:6. What does pi look like? Pi is a gate, the design upon which the temples were built. And pi is an infinite and transcendental number, a number not understood in finite mortal terms. And Einstein said that if he could comprehend pi, then he could comprehend God, for pi is the number of God. And it truly is. And what does pi look like? It is the narrow gate, for it represents Christ, who is the gate. And do you remember what he said on the mount? Enter through the narrow gate, for the gate is wide and the way is broad that leads to destruction. And there are many who enter through it. For the gate is small and the way is narrow that leads to life, and there are few who find it. Matthew 7:12. For we all were created by the Father, and we all have fallen away from the Father. But Christ interceded on our behalf and gave us the gateway to return to the Father. But to complete the circle back to the Father, we must go through Christ, who is the narrow gate. And what is the formula to complete the circle? The formula of circumference is pi times diameter. Circumference is the path to return to the Father, and diameter is the distance you are away from the Father. And Solomon was told, when he constructed the temple, that the value of pi was equal to 3. 10 cubits from one brim to the other. It was completely round, and a line of 30 cubits measured its circumference. 1 Kings 7:23. And obviously that answer was far from complete. For many have come close, but no one on their own accord has returned to the Father. For this is humanly impossible, for pi is an infinite number. That is, until Christ the Son came down to mankind. For he is the gate, the way, the truth, and the life. No one can go to the Father except through me. John 14:6. Yes, Christ is pi. When we go through him, then we return to the Father. But no one can return to the Father except through him.